She left you, maybe for another guy. Maybe because she thought you weren't good enough, but now, it's your time. Your time to rise, to build, to dominate in silence and make her regret every single moment. She thought she could do better than you. If you're tired of being the one who's always left behind, this is for you. Welcome to Silent Tribe. Subscribe right now. Because this is where you transform pain into power. Part 1. Understand the game. Microphone hash. Most men make one deadly mistake after a breakup. They chase, they beg, they cry, and worst of all, they try to prove their worth to a woman who already devalued them. That's emotional suicide. When she walked away, she expected you to fall apart. Women regret leaving not when you cry, but when you disappear and evolve. This isn't about revenge. This is about self-mastery and letting karma do the talking. White right pointing backhand index. Subscribe now if you're ready to stop chasing and start becoming the man she never believed you could be. Part 2. Silence is your first weapon. Microphone hash. Cut. Contact. Cold. Total silence, no texts. No calls, no checking her stories. Here's why. Psychological scarcity is powerful. People desire what's absent. Your silence speaks louder than 1,000 I miss you messages. She expects a reaction. Starve her of it. Fire use this silence to level up, not break down. The moment she realizes you're not chasing, the seeds of regret start growing in her mind. Pro tip, remove her access to you. Unfollow, unfriend, mute, not to be petty, but to protect your focus. You're building an empire now, Part 3. Upgrade your life in silence. Microphone hash. This is the part that breaks her the most. Not your silence, but your transformation. Pushpin areas to upgrade. Physical. Start lifting. Change your look. Confidence is visible. Financial. Learn skills. Build income. Success is revenge in its purest form. Style. Clean. Classy. Bold. Let your new look scream. I moved on better than you did. Social. Don't isolate. Build a life that looks, and is, desirable, camera with flash. Post that progress. Show the glow up. Without saying a word, you tell a story. You're better without her, loudspeaker by the way. If this is already hitting hard, hit that subscribe button. This tribe is for men building silently, powerfully, Part 4. Control your emotions. Microphone hash. Your emotional self-control is the final nail in the coffin of regret. She will test the waters again, maybe a story reaction, a hey text, a birthday message. But here's the rule, bomb never reward breadcrumbs with attention. Every response shows you're still available. She's not checking on you. She's checking if she still has power over you. Police car's revolving light. Don't let her break your silence unless she walks in with real accountability and remorse. Psychology tip. The more indifferent you are, the more power you gain. Nothing destroys someone more than knowing they don't affect you anymore. Subscribe for more real game. This channel isn't for simps. It's for silent killers. Part 5. Win without her knowing. Microphone hash. The goal is not to make her jealous, but to make her irrelevant. You win when you stop wondering what she thinks. You no longer stalk her socials. You no longer care who she's dating. Why this works psychologically. Regret happens in silence. She'll compare every guy to you, especially the new you. The moment she sees you've outgrown her mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, that's when the real regret hits. This is what we call psychological payback. Silent, cold, and real. Part 6. Optional re-entry. Microphone hash. What if she comes back? What if she says she made a mistake? Here's the truth. 80% of people don't change. They just fear being replaced. If she comes back because you're winning, not because she's sorry, she'll leave again when your value drops. No entry sign. Don't accept her out of weakness. If you take her back, it should only be because she's acknowledged her mistake. You've had time to assess with logic, not emotion. You genuinely believe she respects the new you. And if she doesn't come back? Even better. Your journey wasn't about her. It was about you finally meeting the version of yourself you were always meant to be. Part 7. How to make her regret. The dark psychology blueprint. Let's break it down. Here's your psychological blueprint for making her regret losing you. Silence. No reaction. No validation. No begging. Glow up. Become a physical, financial, and mental upgrade. Social proof. Get busy living. Friends. Projects. Wins. Indifference. She doesn't exist in your world anymore. Purpose. Find meaning that makes her seem like a footnote. The deeper you dive into purpose, the more she drowns in regret. Loudspeaker smash that like button if this hit home. And make sure to subscribe, because we are building silent warriors here, not emotional wrecks. You don't win her back by chasing her. You win by becoming the man she was too blind to recognize. And when you become that man, you won't want her back anymore. So listen closely. Let go of the version of you who needed her. Build the version who doesn't flinch when people leave. The man who doesn't beg, doesn't explain, doesn't chase. Because the man she regrets losing is the man who became unforgettable in her absence. Fire subscribe now, join the silent tribe, and let's keep building in silence. You've got this. And remember, you were always the prize.